filming ourselves flying all over the back of Lisa Lucau's car, truck. We were hanging on for dear life. She thinks that we don't got this. Do we got this?
We got this.
Yeah. She's managed not to drop the cupcakes. I mean the pancakes. Show them the pancakes are still intact. Fucking fuck us. The pancakes is what matters. Where are we? Oh man, she's gonna fucking take off right here. Okay, hold on tight. I'm not even gonna budge. Here's a picture of us before she's taking off. Don't even budge. Not anywhere. She's not that cute. She's not big cute at all.
She's trying to kill us today.
Look at the cloud people. Stratus. Where are we at? What street is this?
We're going Alvernon.
This is Alvernon? We're in Alvernon? Alvernon and Fort Lowell. Oh, I know where we are. We're almost home. Goodwill. Dead people there. Fuck you, Lori Barman. You're nothing but a punk ass bitch. Fucking blame me for what you gamble away. I can't come here. I'm banned. Banned from Circle K. Because Sonia Niznik got caught stealing here and I was with her. Why are we here?
I don't know. Monkey about to probably get in a soda.
What are you getting? Lisa, come here. I can't go in that store.
Oh yeah.
They banned me. Yeah.
Fucking spill the syrup on you. Fuck, pay attention.
Fucking driving all over the place like that.
Because I was watching the fucking syrup get all the way on the edge.
And?
Yeah.
Are you trying to spill it on you?
No.
You spill it on me and you clean it.
Here. I want another one of these. Coke.
Throwing your plate away.
Bullshit.
She threw the pancakes away. I was eating those.
We made it. Deuces. Say throw deuces. Say deuces.
Deuces.